Hello, welcome to our dietitian review. My name is Dietitian Fechi, and I welcome you to this episode of our review. Today, we'll be reviewing a very essential nutrient we call vitamin C. Yes, vitamin C is the nutrient that we'll be reviewing for today. But before we do that, I'd like to ask you to click on that button, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so that you'll be able to get notifications on our subsequent videos. Remember, this is a series and we are reviewing every nutrient that you know that exists. Okay, we want to review all of them and help you understand each of them and the role they play in your food. And this is to help you build confidence that you need to eat your food and believe that it's healthy for you. All right? So click on that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that you'll be able to know when we release subsequent videos. So we go into it right away. Okay? Vitamin C is seen as a water-soluble vitamin. Okay? That provides the body with different functions. What are the sources of vitamin C? A lot of persons think that it's just orange that provides us with vitamin C, or it's just the citrus family that provides us with vitamin C. When I say citrus, I mean the lime, the lemon, the tangerine, the grape, the orange, okay? So, but those are not just the vitamin C fruits that we know, even though these are awesome sources of vitamin C, but we'll have vitamin C in other sources like vegetables, your green vegetables, your tomatoes, your fruits, your chili pepper. Yes, this is shocking, right? But pepper has more vitamin C than even your orange and what have you. Yes, it's been discovered that pepper has more vitamin C. Okay, as those are some of the nutrients or the vitamin C sources that we have around here. Okay, so what are the functions of vitamin C? Vitamin C acts as antioxidant for the body. It also provides the body with immunity. Vitamin C also has been discovered to help lower blood pressure. Vitamin C is also essential in preventing anemia, okay? Because it helps the body to absorb non-heme ions that is from plants. It also helps to retain memory and thinking. What are the deficiencies? If you lack vitamin C now, what is it likely to cause? Vitamin C can cause scurvy. That's a major deficiency. Okay, it can cause scurvy. It can also cause, because if you lack it as an antioxidant, it can lead to heart, problem if you lack other antioxidants as well. Okay, so vitamin C acts as antioxidant, but there are other antioxidants. So if you lack vitamin C and those other antioxidants in the body, you're predisposed to having a heart disease. It can lead to iron deficiency and reduced or compromised immunity. Okay, so those are the problems that deficiency of vitamin C can lead to. So what are the problems that excess of it can lead to? Before I go into that, remember that people that take alcohol in excess are more predisposed to having vitamin C deficiency. Okay, so you need to tone down the amount of alcohol you take to help you not to be predisposed to vitamin C deficiency. All right. Okay, so there are two major problems that someone that takes vitamin C in excessive dose can have. Okay, but remember, it is only when you take it in mega doses. The excess has to be in mega doses. So if you take it in a little bit higher, but you may not have these things. But if you're taking it in mega doses, like you're taking 1000 milligram of vitamin C every day, it's not healthy for you. So it's something that you need to watch out for. Okay, it can lead to digestive stress and kidney stones. Those are the two major things that it can lead to if you take them in mega doses. Okay, so but we have a recommended daily allowance for men and women. For men, 90 milligram per day. You cannot exceed it. You can't take more than 90 milligram per day. And for women, you can't exceed 75 milligram per day for a normal woman. However, for somebody who is pregnant or who is breastfeeding, you may need a higher dose to be able to augment for yourself and the baby. So that's it for our nutrient series today. Okay, that's it for vitamin C, and I remain your dietitian Fechi, and I'll see you in the next episode. But before you go, if you've not subscribed to this channel, click that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so that you'll be able to get notifications when we release a subsequent video. Also remember that this is a series and we are going through all the nutrients in the food so as to help you build confidence. The same way somebody that is taking medication has confidence in their drug, you have confidence in your food that you're able to eat and be healthy. Okay, so until I see you next time, take care of yourself and bye for now.